is that?
Sit. Good job.
Whoa. You're so cute. What are you putting the brakes on? Tom, I got one here for you that you can dominate.
Isn't she a sweetheart?
You know, sit. You're already sitting. You know, shake. Sit. Shake. Oh, you know, shake. You know, other shake. Shake. Oh, you did deserve it. Good. Good baby. So gentle.
She's sweet.
She's sweet. All right. Let's see how it almost did. You want to say hi to Tom? I don't think she wants to say hi to Tom. Tom, do you want to say hi to this one? Tom. Oh. There you go. Come on, baby. Ruby. She's putting big brakes.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Tom. I think you can handle this one. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Ooh, she says it moves.
Yeah. Oh my God! It's a cat that's coming to
Come here, Tom. Come here, TomTom. Come here.
Come on, Tom.
Take a break.
Dude, come on.
There she goes.
At least he goes up straight up there so he feels comfortable. As for with Ace, he went behind.
Yeah.
You gotta learn to read the animals. And Ace was,
Tom's definitely a pro at this, so
oh gosh, yeah. I got
Whatever
stuff
Tom
wrong.
says.
He's never wrong, and I'm wrong so many times. But he's comfortable with her.
Yeah.
Look at that. He knows he's got the, oh, you get the headbutt from Tom. And he's, shaking his tail. You see it? Of course, they also do that when they get ready to pee. But it's also a thing, it's a signal. So, is that a kitty? Is that a good kitty? That's my Tom. That's my TomTom. TomTom knows. Tom. Yeah, Tom. Come here, Tom. Come here, Tom. Come here, Tom.
oh,
Oh, honey. Come here, Tom. Want to say hi to this doggy? Tom. Come here, Tom. It's like, yeah, Mom, I don't know that doggy. Well, let's go back to you. Come here, Tom. You come up a little higher. Where he can see you. I would say she's good.
I think she's good with them.
She's the only one that I would trust with a kitty out of the ones we've tested so far.
Mm-hmm.
Aw.
Ruby, you're so sweet.
So
I love her.
adorable. She is sweet. Why is she getting overlooked? Look at her. All she wants to do is crawl in your lap. Tom's spurring up a storm, by the
Oh,
way.
really? Cool.
Yeah.
I don't know, she's such a sweetheart. I took a picture of her when she had her Christmas toys, and she was licking her Kong, and she had all her toys on her blanket.
Oh.
She was so cute.
Girlfriend, say hi to Tom. She's like, no, I don't think so. I'm a little shy.
She is
It's a
bashful.
good kitty. Look.
Aw.
Look. Yes, she's like, no, I don't trust it. Want to say hi? Want to say hi? You're adorable. You're adorable. You're a good dog. Oh, she's got some rough skin here.
Mhm.
This country has got a laying spot. Oh, yeah, she needs some oil in her food. She's got some allergy or something. A little roughness on her skin and her hair's falling out. Hey, Tom. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. She's scared of the cat. Yeah, come in my
Yeah,
lap.
she's more scared than.
She doesn't want to come near. I put her on the floor. Really freak her out. What is that? What is that? What is that? Say hi. Hi, Tom. Hi, Tom. Come on, Tom, say hi to the doggy. She's shying away.
Look at her army crawl.
She's doing her army crawl, yeah. She's insecure. Sweet dog. This one is sweet. Oh my God. Wait, listen here. army crawl, security, insecurity.
Oh.
Do you have pets? No, we don't. Any pets. But look at that. Seems good, huh? This is strange cat. You're super sweet, baby. Ruby. 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 Ruby.
Is that the brindle?
Hold on.
Short tail. All right.